had one a couple of years ago that we really didn't know until 24 hours before it hit. A lot of people were prepared. They moved their boats out of the water. A lot of people were not prepared because one, they didn't think it was going to hit us. Two, their vessel was so large that it was impossible for them to get it pulled, or they didn't have a trailer. So the biggest thing is if you know a hurricane's coming, the safest place for your boat is up on hard land. If not, make sure she's strapped down good. Make sure you got good strong batteries in it to keep the bilge pump going, and make sure your insurance is paid for.